it's Hannah with WTI.
Are you going to be traveling on a plane and you want to sleep, but you don't want to carry around one of those huge travel pillows? Well, Candy Cane has this super awesome pillow. It is inflatable and it folds down to hardly anything. So it takes up no space in your luggage. It even clips on your bag. Super easy and easy to carry around the airport. You might be concerned that it's inflatable, but let me tell you, they've made it very easy. It blows up in less than a minute, and they even have a little piece in there so that it doesn't let air escape. You can use this pillow several ways. My personal favorite, especially if you're on the side, is you can kind of bend the side up next to your head and sleep that way. But you easily can wrap it around your neck, put the red strap on so it stays secure, twist it around to wherever you find the most comfortable. I was really able to get some good sleep on this flight. The material is very soft and smooth. So if you are looking for a really good travel pillow that doesn't take up your entire bag, this candy cane one will be absolutely perfect for you.
And that's my point of view.